Welcome to Buddha's International TV Special News Bulletin. Today our topic is role of international film festivals for integrating the public and different countries people. Today we have three important guests participating from India, Nepal and from USA. I am Dr. ABMK Varaprasad, medical nutritionist, psychologist, and clinical hypnotist, and Vice President of Human Rights Council of America, Chicago. Dr. Ramakrishna Shah, UN Representative and President of Human Rights Council of America, Chicago, playing important role for conducting these dance as well as films festival in different countries. Another guest is Mr. Muralidhar, son of music, son of films, son of actor, what not each and everything. So, a legendary actor, singer, musician, producer, and social activist participating from India. Mr. Sanjay Jha, excellent Maithili language singer, updating from Nepal. Welcome, sir. The main aim is how the films are playing important role for integrating different country people. So, Human Rights Council of America joined hands with Dr. Chalaka Jayasingha Foundation to conduct international films festivals in Nepal, India, Sri Lanka, and in USA. Similarly, Human Rights Council of America also joined hands with Mr. Samson Sala World Festivals from Papua New Guinea for conducting international dance festivals in Nepal, India, Sri Lanka, and in USA. Welcome, sirs, for our main special episode. Dr. Ramakrishna Shah, what are the aims and aspirations of these international dance as well as film festivals? Why we are planning to conduct such programs? And could you please explain to our viewers? Yes, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Bhara. Our main plan and objective is develop relation different country dance to each other and other different country movie artists to introduce for each other. In the Nepal, this time no conducting any international film festival. So we are going to conduct international film festival and international dance festival, and lot of countries join here. So this is our first time hard work, and this work we have our partner Dr. Chalaka Singh Australia, and then World Peace Festival. Samson Sala is my best friend. He is also a partner for this program. So those all people, all our group conducting from Nepal, India, Sri Lanka, USA. So this is our main objective is to introduce different kind of dance, educational dance, for in our different countries. So this is our main objective.
Okay. Thank you very much, Dr. Ramakrishna Shah. Mr. Muralidhar, and we know that you are a legendary singer, actor, musician, director, film producer, and son of films we can call. And how these films festivals are playing important role for integrating the people. Could you please explain to our viewers?
Thank you, Doctor. Thank you very much. First, I would like to thank and congratulate to Mr. Dr. Chalaka
Jai Singha.
Jai Singha Foundation and associates Dr. Ramkrishna Shah and the International Clinic and Human Rights Association and Mr. Sala. Yeah, I want to thank and congratulate them. They are going to take a very big step in this field, in dance, in films, and everything. And I think it will be a very big, internationally it will be a very big canvas for people. Contact to people, artist to artist, one director to other directors. Maybe it will comes out brotherhood mainly. I think so, and they are going to do this. It's very classic and very hard also, because in 5 countries at a time or after some days, like you are going to do first Melbourne, Australia, Dr. Jai Singha Foundation is going to do there, after Nepal, then India, then USA and Sri Lanka. Internationally, if you people are going to do like this, it's a big event. It's nothing like that for people. You will transfer each other's talents, each other's motives, thoughts, everything we can convey through the movie, through the dance. You see in dance, in only India region, so many variations in dances, so many types of dance, like Kathak, Kuchipudi, Kathakali, Odissi, Manipuri, so many dances. Like Nepal, there is Manjusri, there is so many dances are there that people will attract, people will listen. This is the culture. When we will go Sri Lanka, there will be different kind of dances. When you will go USA, there will be different kind of dances. So it's very big starting, which Dr. Jai Singha Foundation they are going to do, and I am very excited if you ask me. I'm very excited to join, in these events, and for that, listen. If some international directors come in Nepal for festival, they'll move Nepal, they will travel in Nepal, they will see different kind of cultures and events and everything. Maybe they will interested, they will make a film in Nepal also. They will make a film in India also. They will make, and Nepalese or Indian people make a movie in Sri Lanka, like USA, Bollywood are doing. They are going to USA now, all over the world. For Bollywood, not a very big thing to go to Nepal shoot, go to Sri Lanka and shoot, and go to USA, Australia to shoot. For them, it's very, South Indian movies, high big budget movie. They are doing shooting in Hong Kong, Malaysia, Singapore, America, Australia, China, Macau, were not, they are doing, and they are very rich. I think in Indian film industry, South Indian movie is very rich in every manner. Anyway, that is the quality, there is a different kind of situation, different kind of culture of North India and different kind of culture in South India. Maybe differences can be come out. Anyway, but these festivals are mainly work like a breeze, work like a great, a small filmmakers, a small music composers who don't get the chance, who is talented, they can do something through all these things. I think so. And what can I say more? I don't have more thing to say, but I will again thanks to Dr. Chalaka Jayasingha Foundation and Dr. Ramakrishna and Dr. Bhara. You also, I'm giving you thanks, and Mr. Sala and all the people who they associate with this project, this foundation. I salute them. They are going to do very big thing, and congratulate and all the best, all of them.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Muralidhar. And you explained in a simple method, and everybody can understand. Everybody is, let us say, right now thinking film festivals means only it is like a model shows this way, that way. But you explained very clearly. Here it is exchanging the culture between the two countries. So all the people, 3-4 countries people are visiting in a single place means they will exchange the culture so that the brotherhood can be improved. At the same time, if they can able to watch and visit the surrounding places means definitely they can take our country to the international level, the directors. So that's why this is the main motive behind this festivals and dance festival as well as come to international festivals. In that way, you explained very simple method to our common viewers, and thank you very much, Mr. Muralidhar. And Mr. Sanjay, and we know that you are a very nice singer in particularly Maithili language. And to our viewers, please can you sing a song for ourselves and our viewers? Sir, Mr. Sanjay, I cannot see you clearly, so that's why please switch on the light in front of you, because we cannot see you clearly.
Actually, sir, here it's raining heavily, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Hello.
No problem. Okay, no problem. And please.
I'm not able to hear you.
Okay, and we are hearing your voice, and so please sing a Maithili song to our viewers, please.
Okay. Jaya Jaya Bhairavi Asur Bhayavani Pashupati Bhamini Maya Jaya Jaya Bhairavi Asur Bhayavani Pashupati Bhamini Maya Sahat Sumati Varadiya He Gosavani Anurat Gat Tua Paya Jaya Jaya Bhairavi Asur Bhayavani Vasar Raina Savasan Sobit Vasar Raina Savasan Sobit Charan Chandra Mani Choda Gat Gat Bigat Sailal Edala Ugali Gali Koda Jai Jai Bhairavi Asur Bhayavani Pashupati Bhamini Maya Jai Jai Bhairavi
असुर भयावनी.
Yes. Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you very much. Excellent, excellent songs.
Can you scale high level?
Yes. So without knowing even the language also, even I myself, let us say,
जय जय भैरवी असुर भयाउनि पशुपति भामिनी माया. जय जय भैरवी, जय जय भैरवी असुर भयानौ पशुपति भामिनी माया. जय 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 भैरवी असुर भयावनी. वाह वाह.
excellent, excellent, excellent.
so much. Very good, very good.
And Sir Muralidhar sir, and I think okay, at least weekly, at least 2 times I will call you. Please, okay, please sing a song for me, because when I'm getting in a tension, I will call you, and by listening your voice, let us say, I'm completely motivating myself without knowing even the language. So I think that is the speciality of this music. It can stimulate everybody. And thank you very much and for your cooperation. Today everybody participated, and we are going to start the Indian as well as the international film festival.
Jai Jai Bhairavi. When Mr. Sanjay started Jai Jai Bhairavi, and I
Yes.
just
Tempting.
yeah. So
Thank you, sir.
so I can't stop myself.
Yes, yes,
So I
yes.
can't stop myself.
Yes. Thank you.
Because this is also my language.
Yes.
This language, Maithili, also my language.
Yes, yes.
But I am saying this language Thetili.
Okay.
Thetili. I am saying Thetili.
Okay, right. Thank you very much
Sir,
for
thank you very
participating.
much, sir. Give me opportunity to
Right.
say something about film festival and dance festival. Thank you, Dr. Shah.
Wish you all the best, sir. Wish you all the best.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you
sir.
very much. My all good wishes.